starts.
Good morning to one and all. This is Sadvika. Government Degree College Mobile, Department of Geology. Student study project on a case study on post-COVID-19 patients. Our introduction. This is our introduction with COVID-19 patients. Although most people with COVID-19 get better within weeks of illness, some people experience post-COVID-19 COVID conditions. Post-COVID conditions are widely range of new, returning or ongoing health problems. People can experience 4 or more weeks after first being infected with the virus that causes COVID-19. Even people who did not have COVID-19 symptoms in the days or weeks after they were infected can have post-COVID conditions. These conditions can present as different types and combinations of health problems for different lengths of time. These post-COVID conditions may also be known as long COVID, long-haul COVID, post-acute COVID-19, long-term effect of COVID, or chronic COVID. CDC and experts around the world are working to learn more about short and long-term health effects associated with COVID-19, who gets them and why.
New types of post-COVID conditions, new or ongoing symptoms. Some people experience a range of new or ongoing symptoms that can last weeks or months after first being infected with the virus that causes COVID-19. Unlike some of the other type of post-COVID conditions that tend only to occur in people who have had several illnesses, the symptoms can happen to anyone who has had COVID-19, even if the illness was mild or if they has no initial symptoms. People commonly report that experience different combinations of the following symptoms. It's difficult to predict the long-term effects of COVID-19. Still, researchers are trying to understand why the symptoms are lasting for long period in patients. Post-recovery. Some common signs and symptoms observed post-recovery that include body pain, joint pain and headache, high blood sugar, fever, feeling of tiredness or lack of energy, loss of taste or smell, shortness of breath or difficulty breathing, coughing or chest pain, inability to focus or difficulty to thinking or a lack of mental clarity, rapid or fast heartbeat, anxiety disorders or depression, dizziness or lightheadedness when you stand up from sitting or lying down, red bumps or rash on flat, red patch of skin, symptoms that get worse after mental or physical activities.
Multi-organ effect of COVID-19. Some people who had several illnesses with COVID-19 experience multi-organ effect or autoimmune conditions over a longer time with symptoms lasting weeks or months after COVID-19 illness. Multi-organ effect can affect many, if not all, body systems, including heart, lungs, kidney, skin and brain functions. Autoimmune conditions happen when your immune system attacks healthy cells in your body by mistake, causing inflammation or tissue damage in the affected parts of the body.
Next. Effects of COVID-19 illness or hospitalization. Hospitalizations and severe illness for lung-related diseases include COVID-19 can cause health effects like severe weakness and exhaustion during a recovery period. Effects of hospitalization can also include post-intensive care syndrome, which refers to health effects that begin when a person is in intensive care unit and can remain after a person returns to home. These effects can include severe weakness, problem with thinking and judgment, and post-traumatic stress disorders. Post-traumatic stress disorders involves long-term reactions to a very stressful event. Children and adolescents. If your child has a post-COVID condition that impacts their ability to attend school, complete schoolwork and perform their usual activities, it may be helpful to be discussed with your child's school possible. Accommodations such as an extra time on test schedules, rest periods throughout the day, a modified class schedule, etc. School administrators, school counselors and school nurses can work with families and healthcare professionals to provide learning accommodations for children with post-COVID conditions, particularly those experiencing thinking, concentrating or physical difficulties. You may also request similar accommodations for activities outside of school such as day, tutoring, sports, scouting, etc.
Preservation. The best way to prevent
prevent post-COVID conditions is to prevent COVID-19 illness. For people who are eligible, getting vaccinated against COVID-19 as soon as you can is the best way to the prevent getting COVID-19 and can also help protect those around you. Important ways to show the spread of COVID-19. Get a COVID-19 vaccine as soon as you can find a vaccine. Wear a mask that covers your nose and mouth to help protect yourself and others. Stay 6 feet apart from the others who do not know live with you. Avoid crowds and poorly ventilated indoor spaces. Wash your hands often with soap and water. Use hand sanitizer if soap and water are available. 5. Based on your studies,